यह कहानी है महाबोधि टेम्पल बोध गया में जो है। Long ago, Prince Siddhartha left his royal life in search of the truth about the life and suffering. After years of meditation and spiritual practice, he sat under a peepal tree, which is known as the Bodhi temple. He meditated day and night without giving up. Finally, at the age of 35, he attained the alignment and become Gautam Buddha and the Avenged One. Later, Emperor Ashoka visited his holy place in the 3rd century BCE. He built the first temple here to honor Lord Buddha. Over time, the temple was rebuilt and restored many times, but its spiritual importance has retained the same. The Mahabodhi temple is about 55 meters tall and is famous for its beautiful ancient architecture. The temple is made for bricks and decorated with detailed carvings that show scenes from Buddhist life. Its peaceful surroundings make every visitor feel calm and relaxed. Inside the temple, there is a beautiful statue of Lord Buddha in a meditation posture. It is believed that this statue faces the expect spot which Buddha attained alignment. Devotees from all over the world come here to offer flowers, lights, candles, and spend time in silent meditation. Behind the temple stands scared both tree. All through the original tree no longer exists. The present tree is believed to be a direct this present of its. Sitting under this tree fills many people with peace and hope. Around the temple you can also see the Vajasna, also the diamond throne. It makes the extra place where Buddha is believed to have attained alignment. There are also several meditation gardeners and small motivators built by the different countries like Thailand, Japan, Buddhist, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar, making Bodh Gaya an international center of Buddhism. Every year, thousands of pilgrims and tourists from different parts of the world visits Mahabodhi temple during Buddha Purnima. Temple is beautifully decorated with lights and flowers, and spiritual prayers are offered throughout the day. Because of its great historical and spiritual importance, UNESCO declared Mahabodhi temple World Heritage Site in 2002. Mahabodhi temple is not just an ancient monument, it is a place that teaches us peace, wisdom, kindness, and power of meditation. It reminds us that with patience, determination, and composition, we can overcome life's challenges. According to history, Prince Siddhartha spent many years searching for the truth about life and suffering. Finally, he sat under a peepal tree, now known as the Bodhi, and meditated for many days. During this deep meditation, he found the path to wisdom and become the Buddha, which means the enlightened one. The Mahabodhi temple was first built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BC after he accepted Buddhism. Over the time, temple was rebuilt many times. Today, it stands as a beautiful symbol of peace, wisdom, and faith. The temple is about 55 meters high and has a stunning shaped structure. Its walls are decorated with the beautiful carvings that shows scenes from the life of the Lord Buddha. The peaceful gardens, flags, and meditation areas make the temple a calm and relaxing place for visitors. The Bodhi temple behind the temple is one of the most special attractions. It is believed to be disseminated the original tree under which the Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. Devotees from all over the world sit under the tree to meditate, pray, and find inner peace. Inside the temple, there is a beautiful statue of Lord Buddha in a meditation posture. It is believed that this statue faces the exact place where Buddha attained alignment. Visitors